You working out? Oh, good girl. That's good work.
Why so fluffy?
That's just my baby dog. 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 That's just my.
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite Stuffy? Do you have a little kitty? Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on.
What do you feed him? He is the size of a kid. This catnip sucks. I don't feel anything.
Let me show y'all what wakes me up in the middle of the night. This. Why you're not helping her? She need help. It's okay. I got you. Come on, poo-poo. There you go. You can flip over. It's okay. No, me. You gotta help her. She's too fat.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Watch my 35-pound cat run up the stairs. Poop. Wow. You're fucking amazing.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? My baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes. And I'm fucking cute.
Just want to go ahead and clear the air. Just in case any of you didn't know, I'm fat.